Guys, we just got a severe thunder. Yep, right there.
Another potentially tornadic supercell.
Okay, we just got a severe thunderstorm watch. Let's do that. I was tracking storms and then this pops up.
With a temperature of 71 at Bloomington and 76 at Evansville. Just outside Indiana, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 43 at Chicago and 67 at St. Louis. Rain was falling with a temperature of 59 at Champaign and 66 at Cincinnati.
I'm gonna...
At Louisville, it was mostly
Come on.
with a temperature of 77.
They won't do anything.
It was cloudy with a temperature of 58.
Come on. What? They're not gonna tone it.
It was 63 degrees with light rain. The Indianapolis climate summary is of 7 p.m.
I sadly don't have an iPad. I'm not like one of those guys that have it.
67 degrees. The normal high is 59. So far today, the low temperature has been 48 degrees. The normal low is 38. A trace of precipitation
The
has
National
fallen,
Weather
which
Service
brings
has
the
issued a
total
severe
to
thunderstorm
26.
watch.
Yep, right there.
Has issued a severe
0.13
thunderstorm
inches below
watch.
the normal amount of 0.13 inches for April. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 9.01 inches.
Come on.
0.36 inches below normal. No snow has fallen, which brings the monthly total to 0.0 inches.
They're not gonna...
The total snowfall...
They won't do anything about it.
...stands at 8.2 inches. The record high for tomorrow was 81, which occurred in 2000.
There it is.
And the record low is 20, which occurred in 1961.
It's going on like everything right now.
Is at 8:10 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:27 a.m. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC 74 in Indianapolis. Flood watch remains in effect through Tuesday afternoon. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible.
They don't...
The areas affected
They won't tone it.
all of central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected.
Let's click on
Tuesday
this.
afternoon. The following impacts are expected. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations.
There it is.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 69, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, and Shelby. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Flood watch remains in effect through Tuesday afternoon. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. The areas